We'll guide you through how to run code in Z. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make sure you already have the Z code editor installed on your computer. Ensure you have a C++ compiler like G++ installed. Open your Z editor and use the File Explorer to open the directory where you want to write code. Write a simple C++ Hello World program inside this file, and save your progress by pressing the Ctrl and S key combination. Unlike other editors, Z requires us to create a custom task runner to execute code. Press Ctrl and Shift and P on your keyboard to open the command palette. Type Z:"open tasks into the search bar and hit enter. This action will open your global tasks.json configuration file. Inside the tasks.json file, type opening and closing square brackets to create a new JSON array. Inside those brackets, create a new JSON object block and type "label "run C++". This will serve as the display name for your custom task. On the next line within that object, type "command "ge++ space backslash $city _file backslash space -o space test space semicolon space if space open parenthesis $? Close parenthesis space open curly brace space /test space close curly brace quote. This specific command line tells Z to use your terminal shell to execute the compilation process. It instructs the terminal to compile your code into an output file named test and immediately run it if successful. Save your modified tasks.json file by pressing Ctrl and S, and then switch your active tab back to your main.cpp file. Press Ctrl and Shift and P to open the command palette once again. Type task:"spawn and press enter. A pop-up menu will appear at the top center of your screen. Select your newly created Run C++ task from that list. Finally, a terminal panel will slide up from the bottom of your screen, seamlessly running and displaying the output of your C++ code.